take the wagon in for full service. So I thought I'd take you over the River Tyne through the Tyne Bridge. Iconic Tyne Bridge, desperately in need of a new paint job. Contracts are all in for it, I know that much. There you go. Tricky little fueling station. It's worse when it's busy, but today it ain't too bad. Okay, well, off to Yorkshire. It's a terrible Yorkshire accent, sorry. Well, that's me getting on the A1, so stuck on here for some time now. I haven't got a sat nav on and now, it's too easy to get down to this place now, so I don't bother with it. It's past Heck and the A59 turn off. You carry on down a bit further down from the A59, I think it is. Set cruise control at 90. Hit the road. I'm just coming down the road there before I turned off the 64. And alongside every lay-by, somebody's gone into the middle of the road, like where the white lines is here, and I don't know if it's chalk or white spray paint. I think it's chalk, saying go home, because you could see how busy it was at the weekend on the news around this area, and oh my god, absolutely disgraceful. Coastline where I live, seen on the news, embarrassing, it really is. Embarrassing. Feel sorry for those that are doing the right thing. And I'm really angry towards that odd. The guy, there was 4 lads, was coming home in the van from work on Friday. It was about 6ish, and 4 lads, youngins, come hair horsing around a blind bend in an estate, a housing estate I was cutting through. My side of the road, passing the parked cars, and we both had the highway brakes on, like 4 youngins in the car, off for a jolly. Nearly bashed into me. Know what I mean? Coming home on Friday, again coming home on Friday from here, the amount of bikers, I'm a biker, and a lot of you know how much I love my bike, how much I love being out on my bike, and I love going out. I mostly go out solo, it's the way I like it, you're not a thing about anybody else, you know, blah blah blah, but there was like groups of 10, 15 and lay-bys all together waiting on other mates coming. We must have passed about 30, 40 bikes, all groups biking around here. Come from like the Helmsley and that, you know, which is amazing, and it is where all the bikers go. It's just a brilliant place to go and hang, have something to eat, a big catch up, beautiful roads. But not when this is going on. There's me with my bike, well that's sitting there, her bike's not left. She had it on the street the day she bought it, that was it. Up the top, around and back, just to check it. Sat there for 6 weeks doing that. Properly annoying. Well, that was a busy one. So it's now 3:30. Monday, by the way, today. The 18th of May. Went through some gear there, like got unloaded, parked the wagon up and then roll up the sleeves. Like, whew, not half roll up the sleeves. Quite tight, not too bad. Got a little bit hard up against these cars on my left hand side for vehicles coming. Because I just go for it, this lot. Like that.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back, despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. Your tears, they say 1,000 words. I've heard them all before. The ones who love the most, my dear, are the ones left hurting more. He broke you down with no remorse. Now who will heal the bruise? The one you want in your heart, standing right in front of you. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. You can always trust in me. I'll show you a life that he can't see. You'll become who you've always wanted to be. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and